you're watching the International Pipeline Expo's Down the Pipe series. I'm Rachel Gregory, and today I am joined by John Musgrave, Regional Manager with MISTRAS Group. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. Happy to be here.
John, what does MISTRAS Group do, and what makes you unique in the industry?
We do a lot of things, but our main focus is asset integrity. And what that means in this context is we provide information to owner users or owner operator organizations to assess the health of their assets. What makes us unique in that space is that, unlike a lot of players in this space, we do a large amount of investment in future-looking technologies that can be applied to these specific scenarios for the owner user organization.
Great. So how does MISTRAS Group help companies improve ESG performance?
Biggest thing right off the bat is preventing loss of containment. A situation where there could be an environmental or a human impact to a loss of containment on a pressurized system, whether that be a pipeline, a pressure vessel, a tank, whatever the scenario may be. That's the big headline. In addition to that, we really focus on what type of environmental impact our activities have. And for the most part, our activities minimize the impact to the environment. We operate in a lot of environmentally sensitive areas, such as Arctic tundra, wetlands. And our approach on that is do it in a sense where it saves impact to those environments. In terms of sustainability, what we're really drilling down to is the life cycle costs of these assets. Informed decisions in that space lend itself to prudent investment, whether it be in upgrading equipment, replacing it, or investing in another asset in a more sustainable environment.
What technology trends are you seeing in energy across North America, and where do you fit in?
Worldwide, there's a big push for automation, robotic inspection, things of that nature. We're at the forefront of this with our technology that we use to non-invasively inspect pipelines and pressure vessels. And what we're doing is giving the owner-operators options that they've never had before to interrogate their assets. We're an industry leader in that. We're seeing huge impacts in the Canadian market of the work we're doing.
Now, you're participating at the International Pipeline Expo this September. Why is it important for you to participate at the event, and what are you most looking forward to?
Coming out of the disconnect with the pandemic and having a chance to speak with this community, this marketplace in person, and get this technology that we develop in front of people so they can understand the value of it. Our impact, especially in Northern Alaska, Canada, there's an abundance of above ground pipelines where in a lot of cases those are buried. So our impact to the Canadian market is exponential in what can happen in terms of the, call it mechanical integrity budgets that these operators manage. We can make such significant impact there, and it's such an exciting time to be in this space because it's literally never happened before, the technology that we're putting forward. And it just gives people better options on where they direct their spend and their investment, and a higher level of surety in that their equipment is in the shape they think it is.
Thank you, John. It was great chatting with you today, and we look forward to seeing your team at the International Pipeline Expo.
Thank you for having me. Really appreciate it.